Kareena Kapoor Khan, Sonam Kapoor, Swara Bhaskar and Shikha Talsania launched the trailer of their much-awaited film Veere Di Wedding in Mumbai. Directed by Shashank Ghosh, the film narrates the journey of four friends and how marriage brings about major twists and turns in their life. Veere Di Wedding is produced by Ekta Kapoor and Rhea Kapoor. Being an all-girls ensemble film, let's hear how the divas spoke and praised each other on Veere Di Wedding and more.
When I read the script, actually, this film has gone back and forth. It's seen me pre-pregnancy, through the pregnancy. The role had changed to become pregnant because I think this was probably the only script that I read where I was like, I want to really do this movie. Because of the language of the film, the entire concept, the fact that I don't think there's ever been a movie about four friends, four strong women, and I'm just really happy to be a part of this ensemble cast.
मुझे लगता है कि इस फिल्म में बहुत एक अच्छी और ख़ास चीज़ ये है कि हमने बिल्कुल जो रियल है, जो पॉसिबल है, जो लड़कों के लिए पॉसिबल है, वही लड़कियों के लिए पॉसिबल है, ऐसा दिखाया है. तो हमने कहीं पे शादी को लेकर लोगों के अलग अलग रिएक्शंस हो सकते हैं और हमने वही दिखाया है. मेरे को पर्सनली लगता है कि शादी एक पर्सनल चॉइस होनी चाहिए. एक ज़माना था हमारे देश में जहाँ पे शादी ज़रूरी था, एक ऑलमोस्ट नेसेसरी लाइफ चॉइस था. चॉइस भी नहीं था बहुत लोगों के लिए, वो एक मतलब बस था, वो करना था. आई थिंक अब वो बदल रहा है. कई ज़्यादा लड़कियों के लिए शादी एक रियल सेंस में चॉइस बन रहा है, जो कि अच्छी बात है. लड़कों के लिए भी होना चाहिए, सबके लिए पर्सनल चॉइस होनी चाहिए.
ये फिल्म है, इट्स अबाउट फोर गर्ल्स एट डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ देयर मैरिटल स्टेटस. तो एक की शादी हो रही है, एक की शादी हो गई है, एक का डिवोर्स हो रहा है और एक की शादी हो रही नहीं है. तो देयर आर लाइक फोर गर्ल्स हु आर जस्ट एट an uncertain age, like we said, or uncertain time, और it's a revelation. There are lots of बहुत ही entertaining फिल्म है, बहुत ही funny फिल्म है, पर बहुत सारे ऐसे मुद्दे हैं फिल्म में जो बहुत आसानी से आपको दिखाई देंगे, पर बहुत ही entertaining वे में दिखाई देंगे, पर dialogue और conversation बहुत अच्छे real. हाँ.
I very lucky to have, I think, a husband who is so understanding. Because apart from, of course, my producer Rhea, who actually stood by me, because this film, I signed this film actually before I got pregnant. Right. I had to call her up 2 months later that I am pregnant and she needs to take someone else. But I think the fact that they decided that, they want to go with me still, we changed the character to be pregnant. And then I was like, I can't do this and it's really difficult, so we should go with someone else. But I think it was Rhea's conviction and she was like, no, I think let's just wait. And I think all of them have been so supportive towards me for actually waiting. And then after that, I think it's Saif who kind of pushed me and said, I think you should hit the gym and get back to the studio and take your son with you and, set an example to a lot of mothers that, it is possible that you can do it. And I think it's been touch wood good till now. So let's see. I don't know what the next step is going to be, but this journey has been beautiful.